Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the Objects section. This is looping through objects. Loops are programming tools that repeat a block of code until a condition is met. We learned how to iterate through arrays using their numerical indexing, but the key value pairs in objects aren't ordered. JavaScript has given us an alternative solution for iterating through objects with the for-in syntax. For-in will execute a given block of code for each property in an object. Here we have let spaceship be assigned this object. In it we have this crew key that has these objects of different crew members. Our for-in will say for let crew member in spaceship.crew, and then we're going to log out crew member as well as spaceship.crew, crew member.name. Our for-in will iterate through each element of the spaceship.crew object. In each iteration, the variable crew member is set to one of spaceship.crew's keys, enabling us to log a list of crew members' role and name. Our instructions say, using for-in, iterate through the spaceship.crew object in the code editor and console.log a list of crew roles and names in the following format. We have crew member's role, crew member's name. For example, it would say Chief Officer, Dan. Let's do that now. Let's run it. We do pass, and it looks like it did log out their role, then their name. 2 says, using for-in, iterate through the spaceship.crew object in the code editor and console log a list of crew names and degrees in the following format. We're going to do crew member's name, then crew member's degree. For example, we'll say Lily and computer engineering. Let's do it right under here. We'll do the same thing, use a for-in. Let's run it. And we do pass. And if we zoom out, we could see that we do get their names and then their degree. And how this is working is, again, we're using this for-in loop, which is targeting spaceship.crew. So if we look here, spaceship.crew, and then when we're in the loop, it's going to go through each object in crew. First, captain, prints captain out, and then grabs name, Lily. Same thing here. It will grab chief officer, Dan, medic, Clementine. And if we zoom out, that's exactly what we're getting over here. Captain, chief officer, medic, and we're able to loop through our objects using for-in. And that's basically how looping through objects work. We just need to make sure we target the right properties. If we're targeting the right properties, then we should be able to get the right values. And using for-in, it will execute the block of code for each property in the object we specify. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.